Steps to minimize customer churnout. How do you actually minimize the customers uh, if they are running out, if they are leaving you? Despite your best efforts, some customer will still want uh, some kind of more expectation from the brand for some reasons. So following steps can be initiated to minimize churn. They surely will help in retaining customers. There are some errant customers who will always be craving for something. So for this, we have to have a prepared protocol how to handle these people. Analyze the reason of for the customer turnout, why they have left, what has been the lacuna from your side. uh, your employee issue is there or some actual issue has happened. You have to find out what has happened. Then engage with your customers and discuss the issue. Improve onboarding process, sampling, giveaways, incentivize. When you do in the starting, you start building certain kind of trust and faith among the customer, and some kind of bonding starts developing. So when you do it from the start, that bonding will start from there itself. Establish a serious grievance redressal system. That means if some person has a concern or an issue, there should be a customer care or some kind of a system which they can call back, and a proper response and prompt response from their side to resolve the issue should be there. Act on customers' complaint and feedback. Again, a big, simple but important issue that whatever customer is saying authentically and genuinely, try to understand that. Don't ignore it. Try to resolve it. If what best you can do on that. Improve customer relationship and customer and support services. Wherever you can be in supportive mode to the customer in best possible way, your services, your response time, your calling back, your periodical calling, everything should be lined beforehand. Then train your staffers to use some customer centric and friendly and helping approach. They shouldn't be rude. They should be talking politely with the customers, with always with a approach which says that customer is the king, and here you have to be in a supportive voice, in a supportive activity or actions where he feels satisfied. Then special attentions to the customer post sales as to maintain that retention and loyalty process. See, as I repeat again, post sales customer taking care is very important. Please do not forget the customer then once it is sold. That it has been happened so many times that people just till the time it is sold, they are putting their best aggressive foot out and helpful support. But once it is done, people forget, the seller forget. It should not be the case. Even after the post sales, keep your contact, handling the customers, the redressals of any grievances. All these kind of customer connect needs to be there, reward systems, so that the long-term relationships continues.